Hi guys. Oh my god, I completely forgot to get ready. I'll be right back. Okay, that's almost better. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Erin Nogueira. I put out about 2 to 3 videos a week on the topics sales, lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. If you like what you see so far, please like and subscribe below. There's also a little notification bell that you can hit, and it's just gonna notify you every time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be on my hair journey. A year ago, my hair was here. It was very short, and right now, it's probably down to about here. I went through a lot with my hair. I grew it out for a couple years, and then I went blonde, and the hairdresser ruined my hair. I'm sure everyone has that horror story with the hairdresser, and I was just devastated. So I called this girl Casey. We weren't even really friends, but we just kept in touch on social media, and now she is my girl. She's my lifesaver. She does everything necessary to keep my hair growing in the color I want. She talks me out of rash decisions like bangs and being a redhead again. Not the cutest for me. So like I said, my hair was a lob and now it's down. I'll show you guys. As you can see, my hair was a lob. It was literally hitting my shoulders a year ago, and I have been able to grow it. I'm not sure how many inches this is, but I have been able to grow it this much in a year. And I honestly just stuck to a routine, and it paid off tremendously. I am on my way to the hairdresser. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of a gauge of the color, the grow out. I mean, you obviously see my roots when they're pulled back and how long my hair is right now. I am going to lighten my roots. I'll probably throw in some blonde other places too, and I'm gonna get a trim. And when I come back, I am going to tell you my tips and tricks on how to grow your hair. Okay guys, I'm finally back. I did change. It was a little bit colder outside than I anticipated. So as you can see, my hair does look a little bit different. I don't go very blonde anymore. As much as I would really just love to be a blonde, it doesn't work for me. It washes me out, and I need to do something that's more muted but still light. So today, Casey took out all of the gold from my hair. Before I left for my wedding, I wanted my hair to match my extensions, and they were very gold. She did a dusting. I mean, we took off like no hair, just a little bit of the dead stuff, and then we did a partial highlight. That way it's not as drastically dark when I pull my hair back into a ponytail. I want to go over a couple of my tips and tricks for how I grew my hair out this long. As I said earlier, I don't really wash my hair. I might do it once a week, and the reason for that is I just feel like the dirtier the hair, the nutrients are locking in, and I'm not stripping everything away so often. Sunday evenings is when I kind of start my whole hair ritual. So I take one of these contraptions. You can find them at like the science museums and stuff. I don't even know where I got this, probably like the dollar store. And I dip the very tips of them into oils. So I will switch from avocado oil to rosemary oil to lavender oil. Sometimes I'll even mix them all up into a little saucer and then dip them individually. And these oils just stimulate hair growth. Oh my God, that feels so good. Once I put the oils on the tips of this head massager, at first I will just go right in with it all around my head, but then I go to my bedroom and I lay down upside down. So my head will be off the bed, and this is going to bring all of the blood flow to your head. And then massaging it is just gonna bring even more stimulation. So after I'm done massaging all of the oils into my hair and laying upside down like a weirdo, I just tie my hair up for 45 minutes and just let it soak in. After it's all soaked in, I don't sleep with it overnight. My hair is so thin, and no matter what I do, I feel like it'll just stay there through how many washes, and it's so annoying. So I do not drench my hair in oils. I do not sleep in the oils. I only put the oils on the tips in the head massager for 45 minutes max, and then I'm showering. So when I wash my hair, I use the Redken All Soft. It comes in the gold bottle. I only put shampoo on the top of my head, and then I rinse that out, and then I only use conditioner on the ends of my hair. Again, my hair is really weak, and I don't need products or anything else really weighing it down. I want it to be light and bouncy and just as natural as it possibly could look. Once I get out of the shower, I use, it's a 10, but it's not the purple bottle everyone else uses. I use the Potion 10 Miracle Instant Repair Leave-In. Oh, I don't know why, but this one just works so much better for me because I don't use conditioner throughout my whole head. I need something to really assist. After that, I'm going to use a wet brush. So a lot of hairdressers will use wet brushes. Again, it's just really easy to detangle and I don't feel like any hair ever comes out of my head or breaks after I use that. And then I bought a hair towel from Amazon. I'll link that below. But basically, it's supposed to not damage your hair and it's supposed to dry it quicker. So again, you wanna avoid heat products as much as possible. I clearly don't. I just took a curling iron to my hair. After a couple days, I've done spin classes, I've seen my trainer, and obviously your hair starts to get greasy and oily and all those nasty things that you don't want. And that's where my best friend comes in. I love Batiste. So I will use, I don't care which one it is. This is the Brilliant Blonde. So it just leaves a little bit of a lighter tint. They also have a brunette one. I loved that when I had darker hair, and they will drag my washes out a week. I love it. So the other thing you wanna do is at night sleep with your hair up. This way it's not really getting tangled or breaking or wrapping around where you don't want it to, just knotting up. So what I'll do is I will just take, I don't have a lot of hair, it might look like it just because it's curled right now, but I just take a mini clip or a hair elastic even, and I wrap the bun up the top of my head, and that's what I sleep with. And that way, even if I blow dry my hair and I take it down, I just have a nice natural bounce and I don't need to take any products to it or any heat to it in order to style it. As I mentioned, after the shower and my hair is wet, I use a wet brush. Only when my hair is wet is when I use a wet brush. If my hair is dry, I'm going to be using a wood brush. So the whole thing is wood. The paddle, the bristles, and I will link this one below. If it's out of stock, I'll list another one from Amazon. But what this does is it disperses the oils that are in your hair naturally. So when you brush your hair, obviously the oils are coming out at your scalp and it drags them down and basically just gives nutrients to your whole head of hair. Ever since I started using this wood brush, I noticed my hair doesn't break a lot. I'm not getting a lot of hair actually on the pad either, and it's brilliant. Okay, sorry, I'm getting distracted. That's it for my tips and tricks on how you can grow your hair fast. If you have any other tips, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to try out new things. Even though I feel like I made great progress, who doesn't like to experiment a little bit? I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.